In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable cookies on Samsung phone. To begin, open the settings on your Samsung phone. You can do this by finding the gear icon in your app drawer or by swiping down from the top of the screen and tapping the gear icon in the notification panel. This step is crucial because the settings menu is the central hub for all configurations on your device. Once you're in the settings menu, you'll see a list of options such as network, display, and more. This is where you will manage app permissions and features. Next, tap on Apps. This option is usually located near the top of the settings menu. When you select Apps, you will see a list of all the applications installed on your device. This is important because you need to access the specific app settings for Samsung Internet, the browser that comes pre-installed on your phone. By navigating to this section, you will be able to modify the settings related to how your browser interacts with websites, including cookie management. From there, locate and tap on Samsung Internet. You may need to scroll through the list of apps to find it, as it might not be at the very top. This step is essential because it allows you to access the specific settings for the Samsung Internet browser. Once you tap on it, you will see information about the app, including storage usage and permissions. This ensures that you can fine-tune how this browser operates on your phone, particularly regarding privacy and security settings. Now, tap on Samsung Internet Settings. This option is typically found near the bottom of the app information screen. When you select it, you'll enter a new menu dedicated to various configurations of the Samsung Internet browser. Here, you can adjust settings that affect your browsing experience, such as privacy settings, search engine preferences, and more. This step is important because it leads you closer to managing cookie settings, which are critical for website functionality and user experience. Next up, tap on Sites and Downloads. This section allows you to manage settings related to how the browser interacts with the websites you visit. It includes options for site permissions, downloads, and cookie management. Understanding this area is vital because it encompasses the tools needed for you to control your browsing experience, especially ensuring that your preferences for cookies are set correctly. After that, tap on Site Permissions. In this section, you will find options that allow you to manage what permissions individual websites have when you browse. This is crucial for maintaining your privacy and controlling the data that websites can access. By adjusting these settings, you're taking charge of your online experience, ensuring that it aligns with your comfort level and privacy preferences. At this point, tap on Cookies. This is where you'll find the option to manage cookie settings specifically. Cookies are small data files that websites store on your device to remember your preferences and improve your browsing experience. This step is significant because enabling or blocking cookies can dramatically affect how websites function, including their ability to remember your login information and preferences. Finally, select Allow All Cookies or block third-party cookies if you prefer more privacy. Choosing Allow All Cookies will enable a smoother browsing experience, as most websites will function correctly. On the other hand, blocking third-party cookies can enhance your privacy by preventing tracking. This consideration is key in today's digital landscape where online privacy is increasingly important. Now that you've completed these steps, you can enjoy a more customized browsing experience on your Samsung phone. Thank you for following along.